Well, after many false starts and trials and tribulations, finally underway. Sailing through Block Island Sound. And hopefully I won't pick up a lobster pot. That was close. There's tons of lobster pots in these waters, and you don't want to sail over one and suck it up with the propeller. Beautiful sailing weather, but I am motor sailing to try to weather the north end of Block Island on this tack. Hopefully I'll be able to turn it off a little later. And she's sailing by herself very nicely, courtesy of the autopilot. Thank you very much. Can't see Block out there today. A lot of fog this morning. Oops, sorry about that.